you are like many people out there who have realized that the only traffic they want to deal with is on their web browser, you probably love the idea of working remotely. Have you ever wondered if a mortgage loan originator could work remotely? The answer is yes, but there are a few considerations. Traditionally, loan officers were glued to their desks within the four walls of financial institutions. However, times are changing. More and more of them are ditching the daily commute and embracing the cozy comforts of home-based operations, whether it's just a few days a week or full-time. But don't get too comfy in your pajamas just yet. While some regulatory agencies may still mandate loan officers to work within financial institutions, this requirement is evolving in many regions. Before considering a shift to remote work, it's crucial to ensure that your area permits it. So put the pause button on those out-of-office emails and make sure your area is on board with remote work. To be honest, not every company is on board with the whole work-from-home vibe. If you're hard set on remote life, you gotta hunt down those forward-thinking financial institutions that are all about that home office hustle. They're the ones who will not only let you spread your wings from the comfort of your couch, but also throw in goodies like biannual retreats and virtual town halls to keep that team spirit alive. All right, let's talk about the bright side of loan officers working from home. We're talking flexible schedules, kissing those soul-sucking commutes goodbye, saving some serious cash, having extra time to pursue your passions, and having even more time to bond with your pet goldfish. But let's keep it real, folks. It's not all rainbows and sunshine. There are challenges too, like missing out on those water cooler chats with your colleagues, juggling your work and personal life, and trying to resist that siren call of Netflix. But fear not, my remote working warriors. With a solid routine, keeping in touch with your work buddies, taking well-deserved breaks, and I'm talking actual breaks, and drawing a line between work and play, you'll be slaying the remote game in no time. You will also want to consider how this may impact you finding potential clients, because here's the deal. Working remotely means you're not exactly bumping elbows with potential clients over coffee anymore. But hey, don't sweat it. Instead, get comfy with your keyboard and start working those social media platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Believe me, your future borrowers are out there, just waiting for you to make your digital debut. If you need help jumpstarting your digital marketing game, my mortgage trainer and Uncle Aaron are here to help. Together, we'll equip you with the tools, tips, and tricks you need to conquer the digital realm and connect with clients from the comfort of your own home. From crafting engaging posts for your social media platforms to creating compelling content that will have clients knocking down your virtual door, we are here to help. So grab your favorite mug of coffee or tea, we don't judge. Cozy up in your comfiest chair, and let's make some digital marketing magic happen. With my mortgage trainer and Uncle Aaron by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve from the comfort of your own home. Give us a call today at 317-566-0425.